Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to show how are we going to connect our Satoshi. So this is my Satoshi. I'm going to connect my Satoshi to my MetaMask, right? Because at the end of the day, everything has to be operated. Your coin or coin, you have to transfer that to MetaMask. When finally, hopefully, the core mining will, the core DAO will allow us to withdraw. So at the moment, we can't withdraw this core, but we have to be ready and we have to participate in the testnet so that more transaction will occur, and we need to assist core DAO, tell the whole world that we are here, we are miners, and we need to participate in the testnet operations. Okay, so you need a MetaMask. This is actually my MetaMask. You're watching now my MetaMask wallet. See? Oh, I got 0. Now, this MetaMask, you have to download this from Play Store. Well, Satoshi mining or mining is only for Android phone. Therefore, you download this MetaMask from before you download, I want to show that later you have to connect your MetaMask to Satoshi. But first is you have to create your MetaMask wallet. Now, here's the procedure. Very easy, very easy. Go to Play Store. Then search for the MetaMask in your Android phone. MetaMask. Okay, so basically, yeah, okay, so you're here. When you see this devilish, no, it's actually a fax. Then you click install. Okay, so I'll be installing my test wallet for MetaMask. So wait for installation. MetaMask is now Web3 ready. So it's a blockchain technology wallet. Okay, just wait until it reach 100%. So almost there. Well, the downloading depends on the speed of your internet, of course. It's almost there, 79%. All you have to do is sit, relax. So here we are. It's 100% ready. So this is to create your MetaMask wallet now. You can now click open. So you start creating your wallet address, your wallet in MetaMask. Okay, so welcome to MetaMask. It is trusted by millions. MetaMask is a secure wallet, making the world of Web3 accessible to all. So you click get started. Then since this is, I'm going to create a new wallet. So create a new wallet. Okay. Now make it sure that you are to, of course, agree with all those checks. Always allow you to opt out via setting. Send anonymous click and page view events. Send country region, city data, not specific location. Then if you agree to this, you can click agree. Right. Then you can set up your password. Now it's up to you. No, you create your own password that you can easily remember. It must be at least 8 characters. Okay, so for just I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, this is only for sample. See, can you see my? That's only a sample anyway. But of course, when you create your own wallet, then take note of your wallet password. Of course, you click I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So you are now creating your wallet. Okay, then you click start. So you enter your password earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can, anyway, this is a sample. So I will see my, okay, all you have to do is write down all these words. 1 is cook, 7 is project. Take note, class. Take note. You have to keep a note of your this recovery phrase because you need this later when your cell phone got lost or you unintentionally delete the apps in your cell phone. 4 is forget. 10 is insect. You need to keep your secret recovery phrase safe. Anyway, I'm just making here a test one for purpose of this video, but I have already my wallet address, of course, and my wallet. Okay. We now proceed to click continue. So you are now to identify what are these 12 secret recovery phrase. So you have to correctly identify. Anyway, so I have cook, first one, and number 2 is percent. Number 3 is malt, Number 4 is forget. So do not forget. Number 5, pyramid. So there, first pyramid here. Number 6 is upset. Upset. Number 7 is project. Number 8 is struggle. So you have to struggle. Then number 9 is struggle. And number 10 is insect. 11 is note. And 12 is liberty. Okay. So if you are correct in inputting those, so you can now complete backup. So it will be a success. It will be a success. Okay, so congratulations, you successfully protected your wallet. Remember to keep your secret recovery place safe. It's your responsibility. So click that. So you have now your Ethereum main network. So next is we are to create our because we must have our separate network, and unfortunately Satoshi core chain is not here, so we have to add it. Of the existing network, there is none here that belongs to Satoshi. Okay, so none. So we have to type in. Okay, let's go to Google. Okay. Let's open CoreDAO. CoreDAO.org. Okay. You have to input the correct thing. And then you can get it from CoreDAO. It's in here. Let's find this is, by the way, this is our the website for Satoshi mining apps. And find users here, setup wallet. Okay. Okay, so you copy these addresses, no? There. Okay, can you see it? Start inputting. We have core chain test net, then our RPC HTTPS RPC period test period BTCS period network. Then our chain is 1115. That's correct. Then the symbol is P4. After that, our block explorer URL is https /span period test TCS. That making sure that you copy correctly. Huh? So this is the thing that you're going to input. Okay, if you think it's correct, let's core chain testnet, testnet, capital N, capital N. Then we have HTTP test BTCS network 115 test score. Okay, so click add. So click add. Okay, so Fortune, we have switched to link. Got it. Things to keep in mind. Huh? So, the native token on this network is T-Coin. Is the token used for gas fee. Okay, so you just click got it. So you have now the T-Core. Okay. So you may change your name here if you want, but just leave it that way. See? Okay, so you have here already your account. Now you can create another account. So we have already our well. Okay, so there. So that is your then of course. When you open it, second 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, capital P, then unlock. So that is how to install your MetaMask. So welcome to your new wallet. To use blockchain, you need a wallet, some actions, cost Ether. Show you how to buy it. No, you don't need that. No thanks. So you may create another. Okay, create an account. So you have now 2 accounts. Okay, then pick account 1 and we have account 2. Right now, since you are now in the third chain, this is the address that you're going to copy and you attach this to your. So we have really to do something. We have to do some transaction from time to time in this wallet address so that you will be oriented. You will be oriented on how to use the MetaMask in relation to our. But don't worry, you only need this when you want to receive your hash, because that is a requirement to receive the hash. See here, it says there is a rule description. How to participate in the testnet transfer transaction. You add wallet address, generate a transaction at the wallet address, then you receive the hash once every day. After completing the transfer transaction, please wait for 1 minute before receiving any hash. So later, when this one will indicate receive hash, so I have to do 1 transaction. Subscribe!